Jojo.
Gate goes down, here comes the number 2 out in front. It's the Emerson McCracken on the 1, getting it done, going into turn number 1. Down the second straight, we got McCracken, Sursic, Novak, and Troy. Running 1, 2, 3, 4 down the second straight, going into turn number 2. Down the third straight, more of the same. We got Sursic, Novak, Troy, running 1, 2, 3, 4 from order number 1, 1720 Cruiser. Gate goes down, moto number 2, Thomas Sursic, Logan Montero, Noah Robles.
Mom, help!
Coming out of turn number 1 like he is on fire is the 338 Noah Robles. In the top spot going into turn number 2. Down the third straight, we got Robles. Gate goes down, here comes moto number 7, Joseph Troy, Andrew Headlam, Gabriel Cortez. They're all riding for 10 novice. Total points racing. Coming out of turn 1, it's the 149, Joseph Troy. He's visiting us from Newberry, Florida, staying ahead of Andrew Headlam and Gabriel Cortez. Headlam in second, Cortez holds on to third place. Let's talk about moto number 8. Moto number 8, first place racing, 12 novice, total points racing. Edmund Troy, Randy Chuvarez, and Marky Biltis. Chuvarez on the top spot. They head into turn number 2. Troy on the 659 holds on to second place just ahead of Marky Biltis. Marky Biltis holding on to third place, repping those West Coast colors going into turn number 2. Gate goes down, here comes moto number 9, 2635 novice. Edward Robles, Kevin Vogel, and Joe Troy. They were 3 wide at one time coming out of turn number 1. It's Vogel, Troy, running 1, 2, 3 down the third straight. Anthony Mann holding on to 4th place for moto number 9, 2635 novice. Moto number 10. Oh, look at Troy, puts the pressure on Vogel, gets around him on the last 2.